Whoa, shit! Holy shit!
Okay.
Holy cow. Holy cow. That's not good. Oshi.
the other side. And I'm just like, okay, good night. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Looks like the cable broke right here because it is not on the track to the bottom of the window. I was on live stream this past weekend, and the homie Automotive Anatomy Gus came in and he was like, Static, when are you gonna drop another garage cleaning video? Because he really did enjoy the series of that. And I was like, that's usually like once a year, and it's usually towards the end of the year, early January, where I'm like reorganizing the garage, change a few things around, buy some new tools, whatever, right? And I was like, usually toward the end of the year, early January is when I make a video like that. And if you guys saw the last video, I believe it was building the stainless steel exhaust system for my brother's K supercharged wagon. And finally got that off the driveway, and I needed to clean the garage. I needed to prep myself for a CRX coming in here in about a week or so to do an all-wheel drive conversion, right? So I was like, well, that kind of fall under the category of cleaning the garage, right? To get myself ready for this car coming into the driveway. And I was like, let's just record another off day. I know you guys enjoyed it. I've seen the feedbacks on those off day videos where, if you guys are new, off days are like things that I do off camera to get myself caught up with everything. Maybe something I forgot to do in another video, or I was waiting for a part to show up and, you know, do those quick fixes off camera. And an off day video is pretty much me recording typically those off day like tasks that I do. So you guys saw tree fell down. We cut the tree down, gave it an Edgar cut on top of that to make it nice and even all the way across. We went to Q-Pot for my brother's birthday, my older brother's birthday, and we went to go eat with the family. And I believe we installed the exhaust system on the blue car, because the blue car has a B20VTEC. If you guys haven't seen that series, go check it out. It has a B20VTEC with a bone stock Civic wagon exhaust, little pea shooter, right? And because the exhaust we took off the brown car was a 2.5, it will be beneficial to the B20VTEC. And it, man, 9-day difference going from the 2.5 to the 3 on the brown car. You can feel how peppy it is. And then going from the pea shooter to the 2.5 on the blue car, you can definitely feel the difference on how the car pulls and how it flows with the you know, the health of the engine, the exhaust fumes and stuff, right? I think after that I don't remember. We moved the sedan onto the driveway. I did a few little fixes here and there and here. And then my mom's window on her Odyssey fell down as she was driving to work. And I couldn't understand what she was saying when she explained it to me. She was like, I was just driving and the window fell. And I was like, what? So anyways, tonight, super late, I was trying to fix my mom's window to find out that the track cable had broken off the bracketry. So I need a whole new regulator, and I'm probably going to go get that tomorrow. But anyways, the garage itself though, we did a lot of moving things around, cleaned things. I cleaned my workbench. I cleaned all the stuff that was caked up on the floor. I moved my fiberglass hood from the floor to the ceiling so it doesn't get chipped, or, you know, I might trip one day and just tumble into the hood and crack it or something, so I moved it out of the way. It's up there nice and safe now. So just a bunch of miscellaneous things I was doing to get myself cleaned and prepped for this car coming in. But my buddy who owns the car is actually going to be going out of town today, and he's going to Disneyland in SoCal for his family, his daughter's birthday, and in about a week or so the car will be coming here and we'll get right to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super random, you know what I'm saying? If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. I think in the meantime of waiting for the CRX, we're going to finish tearing everything else out the engine bay, which is just a brake booster and odds and ends, subframe and spindles and all that. And we're gonna start prepping the wagon engine bay for paint. I'm hoping maybe to get this thing painted before the CRX shows up, so I can have it out of the way and it can cure in between the time. And then once the CRX is out of here, we'll plant the motor into the car. So if you guys want to stick around, see some wagon content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, she slapped that in the face, bro.
Oh, I missed it.